Hey guys, I'm showing you this handheld fans. They are 4 pieces hand fans for women, foldable 8.3-inch silk folding fan with bamboo frames. So this is a Chinese Japanese paper hand fan, foldable for cosplay, dancing party, wedding, home decoration. So as you can see, this comes in a 4 pack, and this is the sealed pack. So the total size like this is 38.5 centimeter and the length is like 21 centimeter. So you can see it's a very vibrant color, really nice for decoration purpose as well as the quality purpose. You can also use them for the wall decoration. This is really a nice elegant printed design, a hollow carved frame that I show you, like the design in the bottom, like these black ones. So hollow carved frame and high quality craftsmanship. So you can see from here. And I can feel they are really lightweight, can be carried easily, and very nice colors and the vibrant colors with this portable thing. So really a nice pair of 4 fans, and you can easily use and the way you want, and it's a bamboo frame design with the elegant and increase the more classic charm.